payungan mo, makabasa. Oh, may sasakyan, titignan mo yung kaliwat kanan pag tumatawid ka.
Wala lang, pasta.
Oh, ganun na.
Always happens on Fridays and Saturdays. Fridays 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. right after big breakfast. And then on Saturdays 9 to 12. Tomorrow will be Eli's last program with me for a while because he's starting school. So those of you who are starting school very soon, get your act together. Start creating